Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock. In this short onboarding video, we will check how to add brand and conversion parameters metadata. So, go to your RedTrack Unlock account, go to Brands, click New, Add from Scratch, and the window will appear. We'll go to the one where you have all the parameters added to save time. To add your brand, you basically need to give it a name, pick up the currency for your e-com store transactions, the main currency, and then add additional parameters like event ID, email, phone, zip, last name, first name, the type of good with sold category, and don't forget to add roles for these parameters because roles will define how this parameter will be used in the conversion API. Should you want to see these values in the reports, but please know that all PI information will be hashed or anonymized, you can do this. Just add the names, event ID or category. These will be used as names in RedTrack Unlock web property conversion reports. Thank you for watching. This was onboarding videos for RedTrack Unlocked, and we checked how to add the brand, the currency for the brand, and conversion tracking parameters to capture additional metadata that we get with our Shopify and WooCommerce integration. Thank you. Enjoy using RedTrack.